So traders, in this video, I want to talk to you about the gold sector and also the gold mining sector, and also something that Ray Dalio talks about what's happening in the big picture of what's happening there. And I want to share some things with you. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, make sure you grab access. I'm giving away free access to my breakthrough trading course. First thing in the description, go get access to that. Now, the thing that I'm noticing right now when it comes to gold, and this is actually the big picture here that I'm looking at with gold. Check this out. So this is actually, I'm looking at a daily chart. Let's bring up a weekly chart here. And check this out. Look at this actual pattern that could be forming on gold. And it's actually setting up to be really, really, really nice. Look at this here. So we have a potential squeezing up pattern. I'll remove that for a minute. Look what's happening through here, right? So we have this double top through here that actually happened over the last couple of years. And then we have this other trend line, this major level of support coming through here on gold. Now, again, this is a weekly chart, right? It doesn't mean this happened this week or this month. But what I'm watching for is to see if this pattern does start to really play out over the next maybe couple of years. Because it looks like that it may be, geez, second half of this year, right? But if we do start to form into this, as you can see, if we just start to do something like that and we start to form into this and then we get some sort of a breakout pattern through here, there is a massive, massive, massive move coming out of gold, and it's going to be absolutely enormous. Absolutely enormous. Like we're at, if it develops this, again, this is a weekly chart over here, okay? If we start to develop this pattern and we start to get, say, around that, you know, that around the, say, around 2023, maybe even 2024, possibly even 2025, okay? It actually may take that long for this pattern to form. So it's not a, whoa, he said the market's going to go up today and it didn't this week. All right, hold your horses, okay? Hold your horses. So we can see that this big pattern through here, and if we do get that, then the market is telling us that we could possibly see some really, really, really big moves in the markets. And the other market that I really like is the GDXJ. This is one market that I think that is setting up for some of the biggest, craziest moves we have seen in a long, long, long time. Now, when I say that statement, okay, the statement comes from a overall basis, meaning when I say coming very soon, soon could be the next 12 months, right? Like that's what I mean by soon. It's not right now, but if we have a look at what's happening here, look at this here. This is really squeezing up into something major. So we have this movement down through here. Okay, so we have that movement down through there. And the big thing I'm noticing, look at this here. So we can see that through there. And then we actually have what? And then we have this movement down through here as well too, right? See that through there? See how we have support, 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 all that support through. Look where we are right now. It doesn't mean we're going to bounce right now where we are, but we're in this overall compression phase for so many years. Mark my words, traders. Mark my words. Once the GDXJ starts to find its bottom, now we don't know when this bottom's going to be, okay? If indeed the stock market continues down, we're probably going to continue down a lot more from here. But once we actually start to see, once we actually get a bit of a compression happening out of here, and then we start to get a bit of a breakout, this whole movement through here is going to create one of the craziest moves. Just like I said with gold, one of the craziest moves we've ever seen. And then we're probably going to get something like this, and then we're going to see something like that. So over the next 6 to 12 months, those who are patient, but those who are really watching are going to start to get a headway of literally something that could set you up with multiple seven figures in your account. You know, and I really, really, really do see that's happening there. And the one thing I really want to share with you is something that Ray Dalio says. The reason why I see this happening is twofold. One, because of cycle analysis. Okay, cycle analysis is a thing that happens time and time and time again. And if we have a look at this, is a cycle, right? Up and down, up and down, up and down. Same thing, different year, right? So we all go through these cycles. We go through boom cycles, we go through bust cycles, we go through flattening out periods, we go through boom cycles, we go through bust cycles. We have a flattening out period. So we went through what? We went through a boom cycle. This is on the GDXJ. We went through a boom cycle back here. Then we went through a bust cycle. We're going out through a flattening cycle. So what's coming next? What's coming next? Say it with me. So we had bust, boom, bust, flattening. What's coming next? Really, really, really simple stuff, right? But on the flip side of all that, check this out. So this is from the book from Ray Dalio called The Changing World Order. And this is then the flight back to hard money. This is what I see happening. Leave a comment below, guys. Let me know what you think. I really do see that we know there's a digital dollar coming. Okay, digital dollar is coming, and we know there's a global reset or all that sort of stuff. It sounds bad, doesn't it? So, oh my goodness, everything's going to get reset. Oh my goodness. I don't think it's going to be a global reset. I think it's just going to be a changing world order. I don't think all the debts shall be washed away and everyone will start from zero. If that's the case, I'm going to buy $500 million worth of houses today. So the whole thing here is, look at this here. So I believe we're going to go to digital dollar. But what is digital dollar? Like, there's no value, right? We're at 1971, the delinked the value gold to paper currency, right? And then we've gone through this system ever since. Now we're going to go back to what? Value again. What is going to be value? Gold. See? Then there's a flight back to hard money. When taken too far, the overprinting of the fiat currency leads to the selling of debt assets and the earlier described bank run dynamic, which ultimately reduces the value of money and credit, which prompts people to flee out of both currency and debt. History teaches us that people typically turn to gold, silver, stocks that maintain their real value. Gold, silver, stocks that maintain, and currencies and other assets in countries not having these problems. Some people think that there has to be an alternative reserve currency, alternative reserve currency to go for this fight to happen. But that's not true, as the dynamic of the breakdown of the monetary system and the running to the other assets happens in this case. So as you can see here, traders, you can see here, right, as a flight back to hard money. There really is only one hard money in this world right now, right? What is that? That's gold. Gold has always been the hard money. It's not crypto. How is crypto money? It's like, think about it, right? There's no difference from if the digital is a digital dollar and that's it. How is that going to be different to than like the printing of money? It's the same thing, right? Printing of money, a digital dollar. So we need some sort of value backing it from there. So anyway, traders, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about that. I believe we're going to go to a digital dollar, but I believe there's going to be a gold backing digital dollar coming. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.